Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm blue for a good reason though. So the Nyx Face Awards I entered the Nyx Face Awards, and I can't talk. Okay, but I was so excited to do this look. My inspiration was my doll head I painted. Her name is Jennifer. We love a good Jennifer. And so I decided to, and I'm such a big fan in aliens and like life, and I wanted to do my look off of Jennifer. Why not? I have a turquoise wig, the moment, the lips, the eyes, the contacts. Jennifer's lashes, the same one as mine. And so I wanted to insert my neck. Couldn't fully do it. Did it last minute, literally the last minute of the contest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want a tutorial on how to do this look, it was crazy. It was a lot. But I wanted to try to win. I may not be a big YouTuber, but I'm gonna get there someday. I believe in myself. And I'm talented after looking at this. Like, god damn, girl. She cute, she cute, she cute. Supermodel ready? That blue skin though, that Jeffree Star though. I can't stop looking at myself. It's crazy to see me like this. Soak it in. Okay, so this is my video. I hope I win. Deuces. Yeah, my other side of my skin is not painted.